In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to recover your Exness account. So let's say, for example, your Exness account has already been closed and you are trying to fix it out or find a solution to that. So maybe you might not have access to the inside of your Exness account. So the next thing you have to do is to find Exness support email. So I literally don't know what issue you might be facing to why you are actually trying to recover your account, or maybe you abandoned your account for some period of time and maybe they have actually do a temporary disable on that account. So you might also want to recover the account again. So all you just need to do is to find Exness customer support email. So you can see there is the customer support email right somewhere. So let me look for their email. So, and if you have a temporary account, you can also use the account to access the support page right here. So you can see, and you will see their email, which is at support@exness.com. Sorry, so support@exness.com. Then you can write your email to them, and then once you write your email, you're gonna explain to them what you need, what you want, and how you want to recover your account to them. So if that account is actually recoverable, you're gonna receive a message from them as a response, and then they will ask you to log in your account. If it's possible, they'll ask you to log in your account, and that is how you can solve or recover your account on Exness.